everyone, welcome back to Achieving High Academy. Today we will be dealing with factorization for grade 10 as it is our last video on the topic of factorization. So let's tackle these equations on the board. We have the first one, which is a squared x minus ay minus b squared x plus by. It takes 3 marks. Then the second one is a squared minus 2ab plus 2 minus a squared minus 2ab plus b squared minus 100c squared. So it also takes 3 marks. I made a mistake here. It takes 3 marks. So yes. So let's start by taking the first one, solving the first one. So this equation is kind of confusing. Like these two equations are kind of complex, like they're kind of hard or confusing to solve. But then I'll make them to be very simple for you. So on this first equation here, we can see that these two are common. These two are common. But then we cannot solve this equation the way it is. Let me show you what I mean. If I were to be someone who is not understanding factorization, I would start by grouping what this equation. Let's say I'm having a squared x minus 2ay negative bx squared plus by, right? So when this equation is like this, it's going to give you the wrong answer. Why? We have AA, we have BB, so there's nothing that is common here. The only thing that are common is xy. But then let me show you what I mean. So when we are solving this, we're going to have take out what a is our common factor by we're going to be left with ax minus 1 negative b, we're going to be left with bx minus y. You see, we cannot take out any common factors when it's like this. Reason being, we have a in this term, we have b in this term. xy and x and y, they are common, but then with the variable of a and b, there's nothing that we can do here. Like totally there's nothing that we can do. Which means what? This solution here is very wrong. But if we choose to put this equation in a solvable manner, we're going to have what? A squared x minus b squared x. Yeah? Then we're going to have ay plus by. You see now, you can solve it. You have a, you have b, you have a, you have b. You have x, you have x, you have y, you have y. So now let's group this equation. We're going to have what? A squared x minus b squared x into negative ay plus by. Close the brackets, right? So what is common in here? It's x. What is common in here is y. So we're going to have what? Take out x as our common factor. We're going to have a squared minus b squared negative y. We're going to have what? A minus b. Right. We are not done. This term here, this one, it's unsolved. This one, very unsolved. Common. So this one is very unsolved. You're not done yet. So let's continue and solve this one. So we're going to have what? X into a minus b, a plus b, minus y into a minus b. So now we have what? Things that are common for us to be able to conclude our answer. A minus b, they are common. So we're going to take out what? The common factors. So when taking out the common factor, we're going to have what? A minus b, and you're going to be left with x, a plus b minus y. Damn. We are not done again. We have to solve this term now. We're going to have what? A minus b. We simplify. We're going to simplify in factorization. Not yet. So we're going to have what? Ax plus bx minus 1. Then you have solved the equation. You get yourself 3 marks. 1, 2, and 3. You're done. Grouping, factorizing this step, and simplifying here to get your final answer. Then you're done. As I told you that it's kind of hard, but then we'll make it simpler for you. If you don't understand, or if you have any step that is confusing you, do tell us on our comment section, and then we will help you. Moving to the second one. The second one is also challenging, but simple at the same time. So as we look at this equation, a squared minus 2ab plus 2a plus b squared minus 100c squared, we can see that this thing here, this 3 term, is what? Trinomial, and it can be factorized. So you can factorize what? That trinomial. You get what I'm saying? Excluding the 100c squared. So let's factorize the trinomial and see where it will take us. So let's start by grouping it or putting brackets. Brackets are very important when it comes to factorization. Very, very important. Plus b squared plus minus 100c squared. So let's start by solving this trinomial here. Right. So when solving this trinomial, we're going to have what? A minus b, a minus b, right? We're going to have what? 100c squared. You see what we have done? We have factorized our trinomial, and we have what? The factors here. A minus b times a minus b. So moving to the following step. When I'm moving to the following step, for us to be able to solve this 100c, we're going to have what? A minus b squared minus 100c squared. Because this one multiplied by this one, it's a square. So yeah, we have included our square here. So when we are done that thing, you are not yet done again. Why are you not done? We still have squares here. Squares. So with these squares, it indicates to us that we are not done. We can still factorize even more further on that step. So let's factorize for us to be able to solve that equation. When we're going to factorize that equation, we're going to look for factors that when we multiply, we get we get a minus b. When we multiply, we get 100c squared. Yeah, sure. So factors that when you multiply, we get this one is what? A minus b, as shown here. And the factors that we multiply, you get 100. It's 100 equals to 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So these are the numbers that we're going to use, that when we multiply, we're going to get 100. So we're going to have what? A minus b plus 100c, a minus b plus 10c, I mean, and then a minus b minus 10c, and then you have solved your equation. Then you get yourself 3 marks, and if you're lucky, it's going to be 4 marks. If you have found this video helpful, do like, subscribe, and comment on our comment section, and subscribe for more, and stay tuned as we're going to start another topic on our next video for grade 10, which is simplifying. Thank you.